Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on installing new apps on a Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Just like on Android phones and tablets, Chromebook gets access to the Google Play Store. To get to the Play Store, click the launch icon from the bottom left of the screen, and then tap the up arrow to open the app menu. In the app menu, select Play Store. Here in the Play Store, you can browse apps and games. Select the app you want and then click Download. Once the app is installed, it will be saved to your app menu, which you can access by clicking the launch icon at the bottom left of the screen and then clicking the up arrow button. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.